This is how to refill BROTHER LC406 series ink cartridges. This method works with both BROTHER and compatible cartridges. By refilling your BROTHER cartridges with an inkowl refill kit, you can save up to 80% on ink costs. In order to refill these printers, it's mandatory to own at least 2 cartridges of each color. You'll only refill one, but the second cartridge is still needed to reset the printer. Here's how to refill BROTHER LC406 series cartridges in 3 easy steps. Step 1. You will need to drill a 1/8 inch hole in the cartridge at this location. Remove the cartridge label to reveal the plastic body. If you don't own a drill, Inkowl sells an inexpensive hand drill in the ink refill tools section. Drill horizontally to create the refill hole. It's okay if a small amount of plastic debris enters the cartridge, but we will drill in this way to keep it to a minimum. Step 2. Fill the cartridge with the appropriate color ink. Step 3. Clean and dry the cartridge surface so that the hole is ready to be sealed. Seal the hole with a piece of our waterproof tape. The tape you need is included in Inkowl's refill kit. Place the tape directly over the hole, then press down on the tape around it to ensure a hermetic seal. Test the seal by shaking the cartridge over some paper towel. That's it. When using refilled cartridges, the printer no longer tracks ink levels in the usual way. Instead, the printer will keep printing until either the cartridge is empty or until the printer reaches a page limit. In both cases, the printer stops printing and you will need to install a second cartridge temporarily. This second cartridge can be empty or still have ink inside. It doesn't matter. Once the printer sees the second cartridge, you can reinstall your first one and continue printing. Note that original BROTHER LC406 cartridges use pigment-based inks for both black and color. Therefore, it's important to use the same kind of ink when refilling. Inkowl's refill kit is made with a pigment-based ink designed specifically for this printer series. Take a moment, think green, think refilling, think Inkowl.